If you're feeling anxious or like you need a little boost of confidence, this is an art project that will help you. Today we are going to do a prompt from this book, Art for Self-Care by Jessica Swift. And the one prompt that was really drawing to me is, what would a best friend tell you? Your best friend wants only the best for you. What supportive words would that person say to you right now? Taping the edges of your paper always makes it look fancy every time. Watercolor paints. Some water splotches on my paper. Since it is fall, I'm going to use fall colors. We're going to start with making a multicolored background. And as we are painting our background, we want to think about the quote that we want to add to our page. The one thing that the most supportive person in your life would say to you to help you boost your confidence or cheer you up. Now you want to use whatever font style you want, and you want to write the quote on top of your paper. And now you want to go in with a big marker of any color of your choice. I'm using a big black Posca pen to write over your quote in a nice dark color to make it pop. And I can see I forgot the C in perfect, but it's okay. No one's going to see this. It's just for me. It's in my art journal. Now I'm going to go in and just touch up a couple little places with my marker. Make certain sections almost have this shadow, but you want to make them on the same side. So I'm going to go in here like this to look like it's a little bit more of that fancy lettering that you see on like greeting cards and stuff. But I'm only going to do it on a few of the letters. Now I'm going on and doing a few more extra little curlies because it feels good and I like it. Now at this point, you can be done with it. You can be happy with it and done with it. But I've got a little bit more time today, so I'm going to add a little bit to this. So stay tuned if you want to do that too. I saw a really cool technique the other day of adding shapes and continuing them in through here with darker and darker and darker paint. So I am going to try that in the shape of fall leaves. So I'm going to just draw one little fall leaf right here. And then I'm going to continue to kind of draw them randomly. And this is going to be my lightest leaf. It's going to be my lightest color. And we're going to keep going and keep going and keep going with this shape and painting. Now, of course, this only works